Ladies and gentlemen, a very warm welcome to the International Safety at Sea Conference, brought to you by the Maritime and Port Authority of Singapore.
And Singapore has always placed strong emphasis on safety at sea. Although we have been doing relatively well, we want to do even better. That's why MPA launched the Safety at Sea campaign 2 years ago to raise awareness and also to inculcate a safety-first culture at sea.
The unpredictability of the weather and the vast power of the sea itself seemed so great that for centuries it seems that little could be done to make shipping safer. But in response to major disasters such as Titanic, and as technology developed, there was a clear move in favor of developing international standards to promote maritime safety. Eventually, this led to the formation in 1948 of what was to become International Maritime Organization. Building on its primary objective of safety at the sea, IMO's mandate has grown in breadth and scope to include a major protect the marine environment, promote maritime security, address certain legal issues, and make shipping more efficient. But I'm pleased to say that safety is and will continue to be at the core of what we do.
Global shipping can be a dangerous and challenging place. And whilst it may be deemed that technical issues have been ironed out and the regulatory regime is tightened up, incidents continue to occur and human behaviour is primarily the source of incidents. Therefore, as an industry, we need an understanding of one of the key sources of safety, human factors.
Safety very seriously, and for us one incident is one incident too many. Whether it's a marine collision, whether it's a ferry mishap, we cannot have any of these incidents within our very busy congested port waters. So the Safety at Sea campaign was launched just about 2 years ago, and from that effort we have now reached a stage where we are able to bring these efforts to this next level, which is why we've organized the first ever International Safety at Sea conference, where we have the Secretary General IMO here to grace the occasion. And what we have done is basically elevated these efforts to international and regional level, where we can bring together more stakeholders, which we have been doing back here in Singapore, working with the different industry groups, working with the ferry operators, working with the shipping industry. And this integrated and multi-stakeholder approach has brought the benefits that we've seen in terms of reducing the accident rates. But as I mentioned, we can't rest on our laurels. So what we intend to do is give ourselves a reputation to uphold and give others a reputation to uphold too. So we want to work together, build this community of best practices, work together with the International Maritime Organization, work together with our regional counterparts, and bring in the industry so that safety becomes everyone's responsibility.